beeping off it doing, you know. When we get to the DYFA Wabagari radio station, 91.7 FM, DYFA Garifuna radio station again. Want to, yeah, Wolford on Colorado Bay. I hear it. Let's quell yeah, done we so Wolford I work my most roll about Wolford on home Colorado Bay working here. Let's quell two by friend they get iseri tomorrow or Erie le walk on Tuago the Tibecato, right? So we are live here on 91 FM, ladies and gentlemen. Share the live, and we will showing in a minute to us, you know, right here. So we have ecumenical, share it, and here we go. So let's start.
No, like just like the back.
No.
My brother, how are you? Everything good?
Yeah, start there. All right. Yes, we're here, ladies and gentlemen, live now. Where we got you?
Sir, we have natural organic soaps. Welcome to Relax and Nature. We have different varieties. This one here, coconut soap, sea moss soap, coffee soap, and we also have the aloe vera. $5 for one, and if you want a bundle, it's just $12. That consists of 3 soaps. Good for your skin, keep your skin healthy, and thank you for choosing Relax and Nature.
Yeah, but do you guys make the soap or?
Yes, we did. We are the ones who make the soap. 4 ladies here.
Where the other ladies?
Here, sir. Right
Oh,
here,
she made a
sir.
run for the life. Good morning.
No,
good
sir,
morning.
I was trying to sell somewhere else.
Good. Do you have you guys sold this? Have you guys tried it yourself? Your family,
Of
friends, or
course,
family?
yes, sir. We have been selling for the past 3 weeks now, and they love it.
How's the sales been going?
Okay, we have different prices. Like this one, we have coffee, sea moss, and coffee, coconut, and aloe vera. $5 for one. But if you buy 3, 3 for $12. And then this sea moss by itself is $6 for one. If you buy 3, it will be $15 for the bundle.
Okay, good. The sea moss. Show me the sea moss. Let me see the sea
There's
moss.
the sea moss.
So this is a different one that people are not really quite aware of. The
Yes.
sea moss. With this sea moss, for one thing, some of the soap they kind of like dissolve. They dissolve real quickly, right? What with your guys' experiment, have you guys noticed that, or how is it compared to say like a regular? Let me say like a Dove. Then I'm not going to my mind right now.
So when it comes to our soaps, it doesn't easily dissolve. We can have it out here for almost basically a great while, but then when it comes to it, it won't do anything. And the storage space where we have within the bundle or the packaging itself, we have the instructions as to how to secure it and how to use it. So that will be easier for them to secure their soaps at home.
Okay, good. How about like when you use the soap, when it dissolves? Sometimes soap not take long.
It lasts a long time, and then it's not like the rest of soaps that easily dissolve. When it comes to it, you could just use it and leave it there. Nothing will happen to it.
Right, thank
Once
you
it's in a clean area, it's good to go.
Thank you. You call this Relax and Nature?
Yes, sir.
Relax and Nature. And everything here is natural, right?
Yes, sir.
True or false?
Yes, sir. Everything we use is natural and organic. As we said, we get it from our backyard. Starting with the coconut, we use the coconut, real coconut trash and the coconut milk. For the sea moss, we use the sea moss itself.
With coconut oil as well.
Coconut oil.
Great. Thank you very much. Very, very, very impressive. Come out and support this next week right here, same place, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
ladies.
Thank
Good.
you.
Moving on. We're moving on. That was quick. Now we're here with
Morning.
Make us see if I still could say. Morning. 600 or 5 5 All right. We're live on DYFA. We're sharing the live so everybody can know what we're doing here at SCEJC. So it's for Open Day 2025. So tell me something about what you guys have out here today.
Well, the name of our company is Luxurious Glow. These are my group members, my partners. We sell female products like hair bow, hair scrunchies, and hair bonnet, reversible bonnet. You can wear it on both sides. You can wear the bonnets on both sides.
have different colors.
We have different colors of your choice in bows, scrunchies, and bonnets.
So who make these products?
I am the one behind the scenes.
Seamstress?
Yes, behind each and every one of these products. But my group members help with social media, with orders, conducting the orders, and doing like promotion features on our social media platform.
What are some of the things that, since I'm into promotion, right? I like this. This looks very good. I hope the public come out here next week for open day and see what you guys have up here. Now, who does the marketing for you guys within the group?
Well, all of us market on our social media, on our personal social media, and I'm the one mostly, myself and Denisha are the one mostly on the business page, marketing and posting like consistently, so people know that we are serious and about our business. So myself and Denisha conduct our business page.
Very, very, very nice. It looks good. Very good start.
Yes.
Do you guys okay, how about these I see this nice little
Oh, these are yes, these are the
labels.
thank you cards. Yes, our logo and our business card. Each package comes with a business card, a logo, and a thank you card.
Thank you very much. Do you guys accept constructive criticism?
Sure.
I see something that stands out. It's something that I would buy, and I hope everyone come out and support this next week. But like this right here, I don't want to put it online. Ali now. Perfect. Is it? Not wrong, but that's my thing. It looks good. You guys did an excellent job. I support this. I hope everybody support this too because it's different. And the hair bun. This what do you call this?
A bonnet.
Oh, bonnet is also reversible and different colors. Right. So what you guys want to say to your fans or to people to encourage them to come out and support?
Well, we first want to say thank you to everyone who placed their orders, who've been ordering, and come out to and join us at EJC Open Day at April 11th. Sorry.
Good. Thank you very much, guys. Yes, sir. Excellent. Nice. Moving on, and this is a pre-launch right here, ladies and gentlemen. Pre-launch right here at Stanton Creek Ecumenical Junior College, and this is what we end up. We end up here. Be better and do better.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Morning. We're here. Tell us something about you guys have to offer. It's looking real authentic.
We have tote bags to offer, hand painted. You can have your variety of tote bags, whatever you want, whatever style and design. Just contact us at our Instagram
page, Tote of Greatness.
What is the Instagram?
Tote of Greatness.
Tote of greatness.
Greatness.
Tote of greatness. Alright, cool.
About the tote bags, I am the one who hand painted all of these.
Okay, nice.
Yes, I painted all of these.
All the painted, and these are hand painted.
Yes.
Perfect. So I'm not gonna screen print this, or I'm not gonna just hand
No,
painted.
hand painted.
All right, nice. Now about the marketing. How do you guys conduct your marketing? How do you guys push this for sale? Encourage people to buy these from you guys. Have you guys done that?
we post the flyers and advertise it a lot when we go around the town and let people know we have tote bags for sale. So
But how come guys don't know what it is? How come we don't know what it is?
Because you know, like they go wrong like that, like because they're at school one day and I just paint like one design, like specifically this one here, like this one, in a color, but like this one here, and that just starting everybody to go place the order with the bags when they, because of the authentic design.
Nice. Really is
And the
different.
cost for these bags are only $35.
Very nice. Anything else you guys want to say to the people out there to come and support next week?
oh yes, please come and support Tote of Greatness. Our booth is the colorful booth with all bags.
Guys, you guys did excellent. We support this too. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Again. You have it. No. Aye. Everything here look very colorful. Even with the shades, it look colorful. Tell us about what you guys have here to offer.
Well, first of all, the name of our business This is SCEJC Legacy Wear, and today we are displaying shirts that we created because the shirts we initially had are these, the original school t-shirts, and we wanted something new, like something fresh, something the new students would be attracted to, and therefore we came up with these designs. So for the first one, we have the SCEJC logo with our school motto, moving forward with visions of excellence. And the second, we have our school logo with some trendy, like graffiti looking designs on the shirts. And then lastly, we have something simple for individuals who want something new but still want to be you know, basic and look trendy at the same time. We have the SCEJC white shirt. So today we just basically display and show what we have to offer, and then longer down the lines we intend to have more to display, more colorways, more designs, and you know, just get everybody into it and create a movement with the shirts.
It looks good. This is my favorite right there. This stands out to me. I really like that right there. That's my kind of style. I like that. But I hope everybody out there have something for everyone out there.
Yes, sir.
The best style you may like. And it's really trendy. You kind of blend it with this, with the logo, and still keep that SCEJC going. So
also, each shirt is $29 any design, and you can find us on our Instagram page at scjc.legacy.wear and phone number 620-7304.
Thank you very much. That really is trendy, and I really like the packaging of it as well.
So
you know, have that added value to it. So how do you guys conduct your marketing for this?
well, currently we created ads. We have flyers. Let me show you. We have flyers, and I am not sure, but these were supposed to be placed on the school page, and we also post them on our very own Facebook page at SCEJC Legacy Wear, and we basically send them to people, alumni, individuals who have been here, individuals who are here and from the high school, individuals who will be coming here to try to share the flyer, have them share it, and tag us in it, and spread awareness basically.
Good. Thank you very much, guys. Lovely.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. That's SCEJC sharing. These are different merch from SCEJC Legacy Wear. They're very, very, very colorful, different design in conjunction with the current design of SCEJC. Thank you very much again. Now we are here at Clay and Company. Beautiful.
Okay.
Good morning. How are you guys doing this morning?
Good, very good.
What do you guys have to offer?
Okay, so we're Clay & Co. and we make handmade clay jewelry dishes actually. So each item here is completely handmade by us and hand painted as well. So if you like any of the designs that we offer, you can contact us. We have our business cards. You can reach us on Facebook, on Instagram at Clay & Co Services. And yeah, when you get your package, depending on what you order, let's say you want to order like a flower orchid or a cute little bow dish, you know, we give out stickers based on the preference of your dish.
And this is all handmade?
Yes, all handmade.
So what is your role in this sit down there with this Clay and Company?
He's actually sick right now, so he can't talk.
He can't talk?
No.
Sign language then?
Yeah.
No force to talk. Okay. So, alright, but he's a part of the team?
Yes, he's a part of the team.
And that is good. Now how can they reach you guys to get this?
On Facebook or on Instagram.
Nice.
Clay & Co.
And from what material you guys make this?
We make it from air dried clay. So when we make it, it takes 1 day to dry, and then from there we can sandpaper it and then further on to paint it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Very authentic. And the packaging?
Yes, we want to show, since we're using clay, we want to show sustainability. So we want to portray that up to our packaging.
Nice, nice. Thank you very much. Clay and Company. Come on, visit this booth next week, right?
Yeah.
Or pass it. Visit or pass?
No, visit and get your orders.
Okay, good. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good. That was Clay and Company, ladies and gentlemen. Come out next week and support this booth. We're moving on. We're still moving on here. And here we are, finally. This is the group that gave us the hardest time, ladies and gentlemen. So, I'm going to come out and support this group.
Yeah.
Everything look colorful, everything. So, how do we call this group?
Hello, good morning. We are Coconut Glow Candle. And here today, we have on display our candles. For this one, this pink, this is a Hold Me Tight candle. This other one is the Glory Touch. We have here the lavender blue, have here the green mint, romantic baby. We have here vanilla, sky high, hold me baby, touch, the sweet touch. This is the sweet touch, and I have here peanut flake.
Wow, a whole variety of different names and different, all of them must be have some kind of special character to them.
Yeah, it's a fragrance. Whenever these candles are lit, it expels a fragrance in the atmosphere, a sweet, soothing, romantic atmosphere.
It's like this group is about romance, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
They're into their romance, so they got different names. A lot of closely touched names here. And now, how do you guys make this product?
Well, first of all, we start with the shells. The shells are coconut shells. We get the coconut shells, clean them out, and then we have them sand off. And the bottom, we cut the shells so it could have a base that it can set firmly. And then the candles are being made. And we have the young lady here who could explain that part of it.
All right, cool. That is very different, very unique, natural. Also, you know, the product is made by students, and they're here to showcase this. So tell us a little bit about how this is.
These candles are made from melted wax along with fragrances. They are melted on the stove, and when it is cool, we pour it into the shells.
Nice. Now you guys apparently look like it's mixed up with some coloring or of that sort.
Yes, sir.
Or some dye.
It's coloring.
It's coloring that is
We have a video showing how you make the candles.
Perfect. We'll stick with that, and then you can share that on the live, share that on your page to promote this item. It seems like it's our coconut glow candles. Is that what it is? Coconut glow candles. Now, one last question for you guys, because this is very unique. Do you want people to come here next week, or don't like to stay home?
Rather come out, sir.
Why want to come out?
Sir, because we need to put up the sales, sir. In order to make we get to target goal.
All right, perfect. Perfect. Now, what are some of the things that you guys are doing to promote this item? Because it really looks good. I really like it. You guys have Facebook, Instagram.
You can find us on our Facebook page at Royal Candles, also on our Instagram page at Coconut Glow Candles.
Coconut Glow Candles.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Straight to the point. Direct, come and support this booth next week here at Open Day for SCEJC. Guys, thank you very much for your time. Thanks for showcasing this, and good luck next week.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bet believe. Buy two, get one free.
Why? More promotions. Thank you very much. Now, again, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on here at SCEJC. Very unique item here. Now, finally reach out. Is this the final destination?
I believe they have more down.
Make we focus about this right there. So tell us a little bit of what's going on here.
Alright, so morning, so we done look to it. So our product, refined by nature. So what we sell posters. So I don't know if everyone know what the poster, but posters are just something where you hold like a bottle cup or whatever. So like for example, something like this. So just imagine this cold or something, you know, like if something cold eventually over time it starts sweat. So So you know, imagine you know got that and you're up on the table. All of that sweat just going on the table.
But how was this made?
So
who made them?
So well, he make it. So
who market them?
Well,
our team over there currently not in.
Oh, your team they hide.
Yeah, team they hide.
So they don't want to be a team player. Is that what we're talking about here? The team don't want to be a team player.
Well, yeah. Well, they help me a lot, so you know. But so the good thing about we coasters is we use wood, recycled wood. So like any scrap wood or somebody with a dasher, we just get it and then we're gonna make this out of it. So yes.
Nice.
So this is not actually the final product, but we have to sand seal it and varnish it. So
is there any final product here? Because it looks good. Is that one of the final products?
No, but this is just one to display one that we can do custom wood burning. So if you want, you can ask us to put something inside. So maybe it's something like this, a picture or your name.
How much something like this would cost?
The custom one with the custom wood burning inside will cost $9, but the plain ones will only cost
So
$7.
what can you custom on there? Custom a logo on there? Custom?
yeah, logo, name.
Okay, I wanna buy one. Can you customize that on it? My logo? Can you do that?
Alright, we'll see what we could do about that.
Try.
Yes, we could try.
Definitely try.
We're not back it on, man. Just.
Alright, well, I want to order one right now on the line. People know that I'm the first one to order on this day, right?
So, well, you can scan our QR code right here, so. This, the business card, so you could get to it.
Well, I get this out to live later on, ladies and gentlemen. Come on out next week.
Alright.
I already got this, so come out next week.
Alright, then.
Support this book.
Alright, then.
Luxury refined by nature.
Yes, sir. Looks good.
Looks good. Alright, DJC, April 11th, ladies and gentlemen. Come on out. Alright, DJC, this one. Support this group.
Alright.
Thank you, guys.
Lucky. Alright. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much, guys.
No problem.
Here we go. Here we go. Again, it's we're getting there. Alright. Where we there now? You right there? Or over there? Right there? You ready? Ready for this? Well, tell us what you guys have here today.
Yeah, my group members, my name is Peter Vargas. And this morning, we'll be selling junk cases. It's just cases but customized, like to your team or whatever characteristic or whatever you have in place. We just stick it by the phone and take. We have some products that we use, the glue, the charms, the drill and stuff. Put it under the light so you can dry. This is a business card for our group. Our group is called Recase It. This is a QR code that you can scan to get our information to order. You can get us on Instagram, email, or WhatsApp.
We provide for both iPhones and Android.
Not right now, you have to like order so to order the case for your specific type of phone. Remember, not everybody have the same kind of phone. It's like you have different types of phone. So we cater for a variety of phone, but you just have to order it first, and then we provide it, and then we design it for you.
How much are these? What is the price range?
Only $25 for one, and then
that comes with the case.
Comes with the case,
But if
and
you
then
provide your own case, that means $15.
Nice. No, business people, yes, I like money. Yeah, well, again, ladies and gentlemen, thanks. That was straight to the point. Really like it. Come on to this, what is it called again? Right here, same place at SCEJC. Next week, for open house. Keep up the good work. Looks good. Alright, nice. And that was it. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at EJC. Almost complete. We're just showcasing the students here. Let them know our people will come out here next week to support this initiative. Again, we are here
with Crave Cups. Today we're selling our cheesecake cup. We have 3 different flavors: Oreo, strawberry, red velvet. Our price stands at $10 if you would like to buy 4. My colleague will explain how they are made.
Man put you on the spot, and his teammate is laughing at him, but he knows what's going on. Tell the people how to make this thing.
Okay, we make the crave cups.
Hold on. The girl thinking might be nervous about this, but tell him.
we make so we make the crave cups by first we get the cheesecake, and then we put the cake filling, then we put cheesecake and put it in layers to make the red velvet, and then we crush Oreos, and then we do the same process over here. So basically the same thing for all 3 of them.
Basically, it's just like layering with different flavors, but the main ingredient being cheesecake.
Smooth. With the heat, next week it's gonna be hot, so come out and support this. The Crave Cup, is that what you call it?
Crave Cups, yes sir.
And of course this cannot be pre-ordered, right?
It can be pre-ordered.
Okay, so QR code as well?
Yes sir.
Everybody have a QR code, so next week come on out, ladies and gentlemen. This was the smoothest one. I think it's one of my favorite ice creams, so that's why. But guys, keep up the good work. We encourage people to come out here next week, and you guys have to sold out next week. Make sure we bring out enough.
Sir,
right. Thank you very much, guys.
Alright guys, back on. Check this one out. This one I got it.
Now we are here. Are we saving the best for last? Is that the case?
Sure.
Okay, that's what we have here. We start. So what is this? What is this company or this industry? What do we call this today?
Twisted and Lotus, sir.
Twisted Lotus.
Yes,
So
sir.
tell us a little bit about Twisted Lotus.
First of all, we have the mayonnaise. We coat the boiled corn with mayonnaise, and after we coat it with mayonnaise, we add a little bit of Parmesan cheese with a little bit of the Cheetos crunch. And this one over here, these are the hot Cheetos, the red one, with mayonnaise and coated.
Very hot, sir.
This one, the same thing with mayonnaise, but this one, the regular Cheetos, these are the non-bun one, these are the Cheetos crunch. And that one, this one.
So then I was right at this one and this one. First.
But this one more saucy.
So it's the hottest one right there.
This one nice.
Who came up with this idea?
Sir, we all came together and we put our opinion and we come together, and that is how we finalize our product.
How is this product going so far at school?
Sir, all of it is already sold out.
Wow, so you guys don't need no advertisement then? But well, again, I'm proud of you guys for doing this, something different. I've never seen something like this. I've seen like that before, but being creative. So you guys, what do you want to say people to come out here next week? Just tell them.
Come out and please support us. Open Day, April 11th.
Simple. Just like that. Again, what else you guys want to say about the product?
We want to say we put in all our efforts to offer the best tastiest can possible, the best elotes.
How much are you guys selling this for again?
6 for 1 and 10 for 2, sir.
Good business, man. 6 for 1,
10 for
10 for 2. Not 12 for 2.
No, sure, discount.
Wow. Sick, I don't like money. Alright, that's what I wanted. Good business strategy. Like it, marketing. Everything is packaged well. And it's safe. Honestly, no conquest supply. Everything look nice. Keep it up, guys. Thank you very much. Yo, you have it. Yo. Now, again, we are still here at SGAC, Junior College, and I think we came to the end of the display, and we will see you guys again. Come on out, stand SGAC open house. Mr. Keshono, I save it. This is it. We come to the end of the tour.
They have their next 2 groups, guys.
See? This is what
products. I have to tell you that what we're working here, sir.
okay, so I can't done.
No.
Alright, alright. Again, now let's go to these last two displays here. Bam, we are here. Who is responsible for this colorful looking drinks that we have here today. Right? That's right.
This is Icy Oasis. We have margaritas, pina colada, and on open day we'll be having milkshakes available as well. We have the blue margarita, red and purple, and our pina colada.
So all these are non-alcoholic?
Non-alcoholic.
Who come up with this idea?
Our entire group came up with it because it's going to be a hot day and people want something to refresh themselves. So we came up with the drinks so you could cool off yourself that day.
How much are you selling? You guys selling this for?
10 and 8.
10 and 8. Yeah. So if you buy 2, that's still 10?
Maybe we could make a lead discount.
Maybe. But it looks good. How do you call this creation again?
Icy Oasis.
Icy Oasis. Very nice. And what are some of the different material you guys use for this item?
Pouch bag. We have pouch bag, and then we'll be having the cups also for the milkshake so we can decorate it. With the milkshakes on that day, we'll be having toppings like cones, gummy bears, you could add on it, and yeah.
Nice, nice. Again, this is a drink with different flavors, different colors. I hope you guys come out here next week and support the same style. We're not calling it a bar, we call it a style. It's non-alcoholic, very colorful. And how long that really, with the ice in there, it really melt quicker. You guys put anything additional to keep it frozen for a while?
Pouches, it won't melt that quick unless if you get it in the cup. Then I would say it would be easier to melt. But
so who are in your group right here? Just you and
this young is.
So everybody try to play shy. So that mean it's not a team. They're not being a team player today.
In your opinion, which one are the best?
Cool.
All of them are rich.
Good. All right. Thank you guys very much for showcasing this, and people come out next week and support this display. All right. Good. Now we're moving on. Are we saving the best for last, or we got more? Is this it?
Yes.
Okay, please tell us what we're here for today. What is this all about today?
Well, good morning, everyone. We're from Marketing 201B, a marketing class from here at Ecumenical Junior College. And I'm here alongside with my group member, Ashaika Awardo. And today we'll be telling you guys more about our business.
So the name of our business is Beauty Bundles, and we sell curated accessory boxes filled with, we have hair scrunchie, hair bow, hair clip, lip gloss, phone charm, a bracelet, and 2 lip scrubs.
What is this?
The hair bow? And this is the same as different, come in different colors.
Yes, we have multiple colors available. So this one is a deep red. These are the available colors that we have. So this is the gray, the off-white, khaki.
Look like mustard.
Yeah, dark green and yellow. Yeah.
This is unique. And the bracelets as well?
Yeah, we handmade the bracelets as well as the phone charms. So.
And how much are you guys selling this for? These products for like
One of the boxes are $30 each.
Okay, so they come in a set.
Yeah. But we will have hair clips and bracelets and phone charms available on open days.
Nice. Wow, very creative.
The uniqueness of our boxes is that you can customize it to the color that you want. So if you choose yellow, everything in the box will be yellow. If you choose blue, everything in the box will be blue, including the bow, the scrunchie, the lip gloss, the hair clip, the bracelet, the phone charm. And it comes with 2 lip scrubs.
We try to match the colors because, for example, if you can see, the lip gloss is not the same color, but we try to put colors that match or go along.
They look much,
Yeah,
but they look good. Because you wouldn't want to, you didn't put this color in that, you kept this in it. So that really does make a difference.
Boxes are customizable.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, guys. Well, we did save the best for last. Obviously, I will encourage people to come out here next week and support this initiative by SEJC 2025. good luck with the open day, guys.
Thank you.
Lovely event. Thank you. Right. That's it. That's it. I guess we have to showcase what these young people are doing in our community. So please support Open Day next week.
Good morning.
Both of you guys, you guys capped it off and let the people know about next week and then.
Excellent. Welcome to EGSC. Next week, Friday, we're going to have our 3rd annual open day right here on campus starting at 9 a.m. And what we have today is a soft launch. The idea of the soft launch is to basically introduce the public and students of our institution to products that will be available by our students. But this is not all. This is just a little glimpse of what is coming next week Friday. So come out, join us 9 to 3 o'clock next week Friday right here on EGSC campus. Miss Nina?
Yeah, man. Miss said all that was needed to be said. We just try to do our part in ensuring that we use competency-based education that the ministry is proposing. We're ensuring that students are being provided with skills that they will use in their lives. If they don't get employed after EGSC, they can always become entrepreneurs. And we run through everything, the 4 Ps, the pricing, the place, the promotion, and the product in itself. Yes. And we took a long time on the product because we wanted to ensure that the students, they give quality products, not just it's a project and it's just a grade. But if you look at the products that they've created, they had to go through a prototype for three sessions. So every 2 weeks they had to go back and fix the little mistakes that we saw or put enhancements on the products. For example, with the candles, they didn't have the holder at the bottom. So we highlighted that to them and they fixed it, you know. So we can see the growth in our students. And we were talking about the transition because when they first started, it was just hard to have them actually think like entrepreneurs. But seeing them today, even though they were shy to go on live and talk about their products, you can see eventually that they got into it and they know the product. So it's not that, you know, they were afraid of not being able to answer questions. It's just that we work hard to have them be better at communicating and just sharing what they've learned in our courses. But
so we will see them next week, right here, same place, same time.
That's right.
All right, thank you, ladies.
Thank you too.
All right, there you go.